what a contest we had here at the Kings Welitini Stadium in Mlazi. And I tell you, the atmosphere was incredible, especially for the players that were on the park. Nkosazana Ndaba is the player of the match today. I'm sure very proud of his efforts. How are you feeling at the moment to put in a shift like that in a province that you know very well?
Ngijabula ukuthi namhlanje ngikwazi ukuthola man of the match. Ngibonga nama coaches angipha ithuba ngoba bathe namhlanje angiyimisele because that game ngikwazile ukuthi ngimisele angiqhubeke ngenze njalo kuzolunga.
And kubalekile ukuthi as time goes on enjoyela kwi Pirates ngiyakwazi ukufaka ama performance strong.
Akubaleke ngempela because vele bathi kumele ngiwele ubhuta omdala uHotho. So manje nami ngifuna ukubonelekena ngenze njengayo benze nayo.
Awungitshele njengamanje i-team, what sort of space is the team in terms of the performance? Noma uba ungenayo uyaperforma kule team.
Vele into ehlezi show coach ukuthi asina ama supplements means nama impact players. Umuntu osoye benchini uyawazi ukuthi asize team. So ngalokho coach hlezi sitshente ukuthi akana ama sub nama impact players kuphela.
Ngicela i-comment eyodwa. Umbuthuma sabona ukuthi mayishobe i-penalty kwi-Champions League obabhlungu kakhulu. Masumbona umfana he picks himself up kanjena asha amagoli amahle kanje uthini?
Ngijabule kakhulu vele ngoba bekuyi-teammate wami from Richards Bay ne ukuthi ukhethe ipenalty but wazi ukuthi ayibooste azange ehlise ikhanda wazi ukuthi ayiphushe ukuze akuthola amanye amagoli.
Well done today.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu baba.
Nkosazana Ndaba is extremely happy.